Hello, this is Smith Builders and we're here today at another client's home and we're going to be renovating this awesome bathroom in here. As you can tell, it's a little outdated in here. It was done probably about 15 years ago. So we're going to get an update done to it, do some new tiling, new shower. Going to have a little soaker tub in here. But today's demo day, so we like demo day. So we've got everything covered up, ready to start making this thing happen. So just want you to be a part of this little endeavor here, and we'll check back with you as soon as we get everything cleaned up as we go on with this project. We'll see you soon.